Good afternoon, we've got our gardening expert Patrick Wiltshire from Marshall Seeds, and Patrick's going to tell us about a rather great 7-litre pressure sprayer, ideal for all sorts of jobs in the garden. Afternoon, Patrick.
Afternoon, Paul. Yep, this afternoon I want to show you this 7-litre pressure sprayer that we have here. It's perfect if you've got a vegetable patch or an allotment or a space in your garden, because the pressure sprayer I should say, can have in there pesticides, fungicides, insecticides, anything in there that's going to protect your crops and make them grow better. What I'll do is I'll show you some of the features of the pressure sprayer and why it's good. Also, what you need to know is that this Inter pressure sprayer is only available to us, and it's good, it's sturdy, and it even has a sturdy strap so you can use it over a long period of time if need be. This particular pressure sprayer, you pull out the plunger like this and you have a wide hole here into which you can put your concentrate of either weed killer or pesticides in there. Once you put that in there, you've got a wide enough hole then to apply some water. For demonstration purposes, we're just using water today in this as opposed to a pesticide or an insecticide. Once you've filled that up to the application you need, say the 3 litres, that's when you can turn the handle. Now this turns really easily and it locks into place basically, so it's nice and sturdy. Once it has locked, you backpedal it a little bit so you can then pull it out, and then this is where you apply the pressure as so. Pump it a few times, maybe 5 or 10 times or so, and you'll feel it's more difficult to press. Once that's feeling difficult to press, you'll have enough pressure in there onto which you will then spray the plants with the pesticide or the insecticide as need be. I'll demonstrate on a rose plant here, say you had some insect or aphid control problems there. You can just spray around there and you'll see there's a real fine mist going over there, so you're applying a really good rate over a good period of time, and the current's nice and strong as well. Keep pumping this as you're working, because what will happen is that when the pressure's lost, you will basically see it dribbling and it won't be as efficient. Once you've finished that, you will want to use any excess that you have, although at the start you want to use and put in as much solution as you'll need for the actual job in hand. Find a waste piece of land or somewhere where you can dispose of it carefully, as opposed to down a drain or a main waterway, in which case just press and just go over a bit of wasteland as so. Once you've finished that, that's when you want to wash all the bits and pieces in there. Once you've finished as well, you'll find that there might be some pressure build-up in there. Now the good thing about this, the safe thing about this that other pressure sprays might not have, is that it's got an easy release pressure valve. So you just push that upwards, you'll hear the pressure coming out of it, it'll quieten, and then once that's gone quiet, you can then take the pressure out of there, remove the plunger and clean all the compartments as such.
Patrick, if I wanted just to use it as a way of applying, say like a tomato feed, could I use it in that way?
Yes, you can use it as a tomato feed, so not only would you use it as an insecticide or pesticide, you can use it for food as well. Lots of foods come in concentrate form. So again, if you just put the amount that's available or the amount that's advised on the packet, that's perfect. And not only that, is you can just fill that simply with water, so you're giving a good mist into your crops. A lot of greenhouse crops love a humid atmosphere, in which case you can provide a real fine mist to your plants.
So that would be great for some flowers as well, obviously, not to damage them and get some moisture on the plant.
Absolutely, yeah, to do that. So, and also that can sometimes help pollination as well, to have mist that might carry the pollen with it from one plant to another.
Okay, Patrick, that sounds like a really multi-purpose sprayer. Can't wait to give it a go.
Absolutely,
Thank you.
Paul. Cheers.